How to buy Trumpius, the Trumpius Maximus token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to check their X account first and keep following their updates about this token, and make sure to check their Telegram channel. They include it in their X account. Now, to be able to buy this token, this token is available on the explainer. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now this token is different from the other one. Now this token, it's increased by 44 to 45,000% in the last 24 hours, and by the 8% in the last 5 minutes, as you can see. And as you can see, the 99% of liquidity is locked. That means your investment in the safe place. And this token, it's under Ethereum network. So to be able to buy it, just go and click here to copy the token address. Now go and open your Bitget wallet to buy it. Now go here, and now as you can see, select the Ethereum network from here, click on plus icon, paste the token address as you can see here, and this is our token called Trumpius. Now click on plus icon, and now after that, go back to your wallet and find your token from here. Now just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is their token, this token. So after that, click on swap, and now switch it from here, and now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive with that token if you want to buy 10 USDT. Now after that, it's simple, just click on buy and you will be able to buy it. So this is how to buy the Trumpius token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.